in today's class, we will be learning about actinoids. Now, if you take a look at the periodic table, you can see two additional rows under the main periodic table. Now in this, the second row is nothing but the actinoids. Now in the actinoid series, there are 15 elements, starting from actinium to lawrencium. Amongst these 15 elements, 4 of them, that is actinium, thorium, protactinium and uranium are found in nature, and the rest of them are synthetic. All the actinoids are radioactive elements. Now what are radioactive elements? If we consider an atom consists of a nucleus with protons and neutrons and electrons around it. Now in the nucleus, protons and neutrons are held together by some forces. Now these forces are called as nuclear forces. Now if these forces are not balanced, the atom will become unstable. So such unstable atoms are called as radioactive elements. Being radioactive elements, that is, with an unstable nucleus, they will try to arrange themselves in such a way that they change from unstable nuclei to become a stable nuclei. This rearrangement process is called as radioactive decay. But no one can know at what time this radioactive decay occurs. So for this, we use the half-life period of these elements. Now this half-life can vary from a fraction of seconds to billions of years. Now what is this half-life period? Now to understand this, let us take a sample or a source of a radioactive element. So in this radioactive element, when half of its unstable nuclei gets decayed and that time is measured, this particular time is known as half-life. The half-lives of the earlier members of the actinoid series are found to be really long. For example, thorium. It has a half-life of 14 billion years. But when we go down this series, the half-life of these elements will be really less. For example, lawrencium. The half-life of this particular radioactive elements is just 3 minutes.